you think of applications in other fields? In fluid dynamics, you will have the velocity vector. So, in this context, we define what is known as an incompressible flow. What do you mean by an incompressible flow? The flow of a fluid flowing with a velocity v bar is said to be incompressible if divergence of v bar is equal to 0. If divergence of v bar is equal to 0, where v bar denotes velocity of a flowing fluid, then the flow is said to be incompressible. Now we discuss another problem. In this problem, a vector function is given and the question is whether it can be the velocity vector of an incompressible flow. V bar is given here as minus x square plus yz into y bar plus 4y minus xz square into j bar plus 2xz minus 4z into k bar. We know that the flow is incompressible if divergence of the velocity vector is 0. So we see whether divergence of this given velocity vector is 0 or not. How is divergence defined? Dou by dou x of the first component, namely minus x square plus yz plus dou by dou y of second component, that is 4y minus xz square plus dou by dou z of the third component, that is 2xz minus 4z. We can easily see that this is minus 2x plus 0 plus 4 minus 0 plus 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, this given vector can be the velocity of an incompressible flow.